everyone, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is my Saturday edition. I just ran out to two stores, Home Goods of course, and I went to Dollar General because I'm slowly getting back into doing my couponing and prepping for essential supplies, etc. So let's start with Dollar General. I went to Dollar General to pick up these new Airwick essential oil room fragrances. Now I've been going all week to get them, and these were regularly $3.35. So if you have a Dollar General account, what you do is just go online and set up an account with your phone number, and then go online and punch the coupons that you want. And when you get up to the register, you just punch your phone number in and it takes it off automatically. So I was scanning through like I normally do every week to check the new Dollar General coupons. And luckily they had these $1.50 coupons off for this. So this made it total with tax $2.08. And I got it in the pumpkin spice. And then, like I said, all week I've been going back because I have, like everybody has several accounts to try to make the best of your couponing. And I've got the white flower and melon summer delights. Now I bought a total of six altogether during the week, or 8 of them during the week. And actually this is I got 3 of these. I got one in lavender, one in white linen, and this is the first one that I got in the pumpkin spice, and I thought this would be nice fragrance putting at my foyer when you first walk in, or I may put it in the kitchen. So hopefully I get this video uploaded. It's about 1:00 p.m. It should be going up shortly, and you'll be able to go online, set up an account real quick on Dollar General, click that $1.50 coupon for the Airwicks essential oils starter kit, and be able to go and get one of these. So I got that, and then while I was there, I found the fiber content tablecloth for $1, and I got it like in that pumpkin spice color. And these are not like your regular Dollar Tree tablecloths. These are really nice and thick. And I'm not going to open it up, but I am going to be utilizing this in an upcoming video. So they had all different kinds. They had ones with the leaves on it, the pumpkins, you name it, they had it for $1. So I got these, and then when I was leaving to go up to the register, look what I found. These little, back in the day, it used to be like the little milk crates. So I found it in the white that says thankful, and that pumpkin spice grateful. And I found one in the gray that said blessed. Now all 3 were only $3, and I got the last, I got the last one of each in each color. So you'll be seeing this in a beautiful fall, upcoming maybe vignette, or one of the collaborations that I will be trying to join shortly. Next, I went to Home Goods real quick because I was out in that area, and if y'all are from New Jersey, y'all know about Port Roll. Well, I had went to Publix. I went to Publix earlier in the week, and the guy said that they were getting a new shipment in Port Roll. So I went over there, got me like 5 boxes to put up in the freezer, and I said, I'm over here by Home Goods. let me go in and check it out. So, bam. I found these pretty pumpkin platters for $12.99, and it's a set of 3. So this is the small one, the medium one, and the large one. Now, as you see, they were twined together, but to be safe, I had the lady pull them out so she can wrap them individually. And look how large that is. I thought this was really, really pretty. Now I have my face on today, but let's see if I can get a thumbnail real quick. I'll just put it up like that. So, these are really nice and heavy. I'm not going to try to lift them all 3 up, but nice size for $13. I couldn't believe that. I hurried up and went and got a cart. And then lastly, pulling up to the house, I said, well, let me check my mailbox, because I was expecting a Amazon order. And it came today. And you'll be seeing these in one of my master bathroom remodel refresh. They are just simple hooks for your drapes. And of course, I got the Glam. I call it my little crystal ball. And it comes 2 in a pack. And I ordered a total of 2 packs, which is 4. And I believe I got these for like under $20. So I'm going to put one in the bathroom to hold my curtains back. And then, if you can see behind me, I just put new curtains up in my dining room. And I'm going to use these to hold back the new curtains in the dining room. And I may order 1 more pack for my living room, but I'm not working on the living room at this moment. It's going to take a while for me to figure out and configure what type of furniture we're going to get. Please make sure to go over and check out my community tab. I did put 3 different ideas up, but I am still looking at different furniture. But I wanted to get y'all opinion of what you think I should, pick for my living room. If I get enough responses, I will be trying to do a giveaway right around Thanksgiving. So at least go over and pick one of the 3, and let me know which one you think would fit me, and if you know me that well. You're probably wondering, what's going on, Kel, with your neck? Well, I am starting a new channel that is called Let's Talk With Kel, and that's just going to be strictly vlogging about my serious health issues that I have going on. We're going to give it to God, send out lots of prayers for me. I have a lot of issues. I just went and got an MRI this Tuesday, and my neck is really jacked up badly. And I'm still trying to figure out how did I, severely damaged the C2 through the C7 in my neck. And while I was over at the MRI imaging place, I also had to get a update MRI on my back. So I'm not going to discuss it here on this channel. If you'd like to, please, go over Let's Talk With Kel, and I'm going to give you more information following once I get that channel. It's already set up, but I'll put the link down. Go over and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell and leave me a lovely comment when I do the intro video for that channel coming up soon. So I hope you enjoyed my little shopping haul that I went and picked up today. and received today. And I may be doing this on a regular over here. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. My Saturday edition when I get back from running to the store. It just all depends on my new schedule that's coming up beginning in October. As I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I will see y'all on another Saturday edition video. Bye-bye.